Hello guys, welcome back this advanced combined mathematics YouTube platform, the daily workout series for paper out questions for future you exams, pure maths, applied maths, combined maths, further maths, any type of mathematics solving through this video series. Okay, check with the solution for this problem. This is solve and find the number of solutions in this range minus pi to pi. How many solutions are available of this trigonometric equation after solving? The equation is cosine 3x sine cube x plus cos 3x cos cube x equal to cos cube 6x. Find how many solutions it has in these boundaries minus pi to plus pi. On the Prashnak paper out exam series, please subscribe this and you'll receive all type of challenging problems or paper expected problem in the future, whatever maths, pure, applied, physics, chemistry, or whatever math students, very useful calculation problem here. Okay, see my solution. First we find the general method, right? First we find the general solution, then you can turn over to the range is given, how many integer values or how many angles are available on that. Okay, see how I'm showing this question. Sine 3x, sine cube x, sine cube means sine square x into sine x, sine square x into sine x. So can I write this 1 sine square, 1 minus cos square x, okay, another sine x, sine cube x, sine square into sine, write the sine square is 1 minus cos square, right, into sine. Come back the same pattern here, cos 3x, what is cos cube x, cos square into cos, cos square into cos. So 1 cos square is 1 minus sine square, right, 1 minus sine square into cos x, okay. The other side, cos cube 6x. Now we remove as usual method, remove the brackets and write a pattern. Can I multiple with this sine 3x sine x, sine 3x sine x, okay, sine 3x sine x minus sine x sine 3x cos square x, right? Multiple the bracket, will find some general format when you solve these step by step and come back the similar fashion here, multiple this here, cos 3x cos x, okay, cos 3x cos x minus, right, minus this one, we multiple same type, cos x into cos 3x into sine square, right, sine square x equal cos cube 6x, right, cos cube 6x. Now see these two, some trigonometric identities, sine 3x sine x plus cos 3x cos x. Let's like cos A cos B, cos A cos B minus sine A sine B format, ahmada, cos 3x cos x plus here, therefore can I write that one maybe cos 3x cos A minus B, the cos A minus B, find this expansion, cos A cos B, yes, minus come plus here, sin x sin B, cos A minus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, right? Okay. Now to take the other part, this and that. Next case, we take some common part outside, cos square, sin square, cos, you can use something here. Here sin x, cos x can take, right? Here also, yeah, sin x cos x. Take the minus sign, okay? Minus sign, sin x cos x. So write the rest of the part. Sin x out, cos square 1 cos out, sin 3x, cos x sin 3x, okay? Here minus, I use the minus out, so can I plus, plus, okay? Cos x out, sin square 1 sin is out, so sin x cos 3x, okay? The other side, cos cube 6x, cos cube 6x, right? Cos cube 6x. What is this? Cos 3x minus x, cos 2x, okay? Cos 2x, cos 2x minus sin x, cos x, sin x, cos x, sin x, cos x. What is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, as sin A plus B, is it? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B format. I show the beginning level, sin A plus B need sin 3x plus x, okay? Sin 3x plus x. The other side, cos cube 6x, right? So furthermore, cos 2x minus sin x cos x. What is this? Sin 4x, okay? Sin 4x, right? My target to go step by step, general equation, general solution. From later part, you can find how many solutions available in these boundaries. So the other side equal cos cube 6x, cos cube 6x, right? Okay, now see furthermore, you know, double angle formula, sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta, sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. So sine theta cos theta, this can be shown as sine 2x into half, sine 2x into half. Try. So cos x, cos 2x minus, can I write this one half into sine 2x, okay? Half into sine 2x. What is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta, 2 sine theta, 2 cancel. Sine 4x, okay? Sine 4x equal cos cube x. Long work, right? Diga වැඩක්. හරියට කරගත්තන හරියට වැඩේ. Very expected problem in future exams. මේ වගේ මෙන්ට පුළුවන් නියමයි. Oh, furthermore, what is sine 4x? Sine 4x, 2 sine 2x cos 2x, 2 sine 2x cos 2x. So here sine square 1 minus, yes, you can write the double angle formula. Cos 2x minus, can I write this sine 4x, 2 sine 2x cos 2x, sine 4 theta, double angle formula. Sine 4 theta, 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. So the 2 cancel here, right? Therefore, sine 2x, this is sine 2x cos 2x. That sine, another sine, sine square, okay? Cos 2x, right? The other side, cos cube 6x. I show here, cos 2x next, cos 2x minus, can I write completely in terms of cos? I can take the cos 2x out also. Take the cos 2x out. Take the cos 2x out. That is 1 minus sine square 2x. Okay. Okay. Equal to cos cube, right? Cos cube 6x. Okay. So what is that? Cos 2x. What is 1 minus sine square theta, cos square theta, right? Cos square theta, cos square 2x, okay? The other side, cos cube 6x. A nice problem, you know, multiple this to cos cube 2x. Cos cube 2x equal to cos cube 6x. So both sides take the third root. If you take third root both side, what is that? Cos 2x equal cos 6x. Nice work. See, cos theta equal cos alpha. So cos theta equal cos alpha format. Therefore, x equal 2n pi plus or minus that. Otherwise, take this one here, my dear students. Cos 6x equal to 0. So what it is? Cos A minus B. Cos A minus B form cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D. Sine pattern. 2 sine at the angle write the half. 6n to 8 write the half. 4x. Again sine. Again the sine. Factor formula of basic trigonometrical identities. Sine cos C minus cos D form 2 sine at the 2 write the half. Other one sine 6 minus 2 4 divide by 2 2x, right, equal to 0. So nice work, and divide by 2. Therefore sine 4x equals 0, or otherwise sine 2x equals 0. Nice work, check. So sine 4x 0. So write the general pattern. Sine 4x equals sine naught, sine theta equals sine alpha format. Therefore 4x equal n pi only, right? Therefore x equal 1/4 n pi, 1/4 n pi, right? The same answer here. X equal half into n pi. On this the general solution, more suitable problem for any pure maths papers, combined maths papers, grade 12, grade 13 or final exam papers. Right, come back the solution now. How many solutions available? How many solutions available? The range minus pi to plus pi, minus pi to plus pi. How many values available? How many values available between minus pi to plus pi? So we find the solutions in order, right? So x equal 1/4 n pi. You know what do you mean minus pi to plus pi? If I show number line represent, because some of you don't know what the meaning. මෙහෙම දාපුවා මොනවද කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. දන්නවා අමතක වුණා. Final chance. සාමාන්‍ය මේ වගේ minus pi සිට plus pi දක්වා සියලු numbers හොයන්න ඕනේ. So the whole numbers pi minus 180, minus 120 or minus 150, 120 and බලමු. So can I take the first one? X equal 1/4 n pi පොඩ්ඩක් බලමුද? Solution ටිකක් ලියමුද මේක? So if I take minus පැත්තත් ගන්න පුළුවන්, plus ඒවත් ගන්න පුළුවන්. So minus pi වෙන්න ඕන නම් n for 4. If n equal 4, if n equal 4 cancel, minus 4 gamu. If n equal minus 4, x equal minus pi. One solution can. But say if n equal, what can I put? Minus 3 down to the minus 3. So x equal minus 3 pi by 4. Minus 3 pi by 4, that is 135 degrees. Negative පැත්ත පුළුවන් ඒකත් ගමු අපි. Next what if n equal minus 4 දෙම්මා minus 2 දාලා බලමු. Minus 2, if n is minus 2 here, check will you? X equal, what is if n is minus 2? Cut negative pi by 2, right? Negative pi by 2. Yes, පුළුවන්. Negative pi by 2 can. So if n is minus 1, check. If n is minus 1, that is minus pi by 4, minus 45 can. Okay. If n is 0, okay. If n is 0, one solution completely x is 0. Ganda puluwan x is 0. Can take, right? Okay. Now go to the plus side. Plus side, balamu the plus side. If n is 1, check that. Final chance, the most useful method I am showing this apply values and counting all the types answers. So n for 1, right? N for 1, this is n1 pi by 4. Yes, pi by 4 ganda puluwang somewhere here. Your 0 here, somewhere here, number line, think that. Because answer from minus pi to pi, all the solutions. So n is 2 gamuda n for 2 ganta. If n is 2, pi by 2, yes, x equal pi by 2 puluwang wenda. If n is 3, if n is 3, 3 pi by 4, yes, x equal 3 pi by 4. If n is 2 or pi by 2, 3. If n is 4 pi, yes, n is 4, x equal pi. So for this set of general part, all solution satisfies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values, right? So you can check the other one also, half n pi, x equal half n pi, half n pi, put n for minus 1. If you put n for minus 2, that is minus 5. Onna mekkama enawa neda. Put n for minus 2, that is minus pi, can take. Put n for minus 1, minus pi by 2 enawa. Put n for 0, that is 0. So n for 2, pi. So what the solution here, same problems come over there also. Therefore, very interesting question. So there are 9 solutions, right? 9 solution in this set of values. From minus pi to pi, 9 values are available. Okay, right. This is one pure maths question. See next one, the integration, and the nice integration problem. That is bounded definite integration. Find the answer. Check that. So we have that question. There is the problem, the definite integration. Yeah, this is the problem. The I equal integral, nice integration. All expected problems in for future exams, pure math structured paper or essay paper. Maybe the answer is, the question is integral 11 plus 4 cos 2x, right? 11 plus 4 cos 2x, 11 plus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x, cos 4x over 1 minus cos 4x, right? Dx, right? This is the problem. The boundary is pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8, right? A fantastic problem using definite integration, expect in the future one of the essay part. Okay, I take this number 1 kila kiyamo. So actually such a problem come before they will ask or they will send a message. The idea, we use the King's rule, you know, King's rule. Apply the King's model, King's rule. Reference, see every exam paper, mostly any type of final papers, provincial papers, school papers. There's a part called King's rule. But the King's rule says f of a plus b minus x equal to fx. Integral, the boundaries comes a is to b, the boundaries comes a is to b dx. Reference, King's rule for these two boundaries available. This expression can be evaluated, can be changed to fx. A plus b minus x kila x tadandone. Substitute current x venuata a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x for fx. x4 apply a plus b minus x. Mehema tibbana mehema puluwan, or something like this. We convert to that part also. That is we known as King's rule of definite integration. Okay, now see the what it is, pi by 8, 3 pi by 8, right? So pi over 8 plus 3 pi over 8 minus x. X වෙනුවට එහෙම දාන්න පුළුවන්. So what is that? 1 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi by 8. What is 4 pi by 8 minus x? Pi by 2 minus x. Very interesting. Substitute. This is the interesting work. Follow the King's rule of integration. So a plus b minus x equal to fx, right? Therefore, in this problem, where I is x, you can write pi by 2 minus x. That's the beginning part. Hereafter, simple is number 1. So therefore, I further read that I equal integral boundaries pi over 8. Here 3 pi over 8, 11, right? 4 cos 2x, x4 pi by 2 minus x, okay? x4 pi by 2 minus x. Positive cos 4x, cos 4, x4 pi by 2 minus x, right? Over 1 minus cos x4, 4x, 4 into x4 pi by 2 minus x, okay? All integrate respect to x. So therefore series I equal integral boundaries pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8. Now see here 11, right? 11 plus 4. If you multiple this bracket, 2 cancel, pi minus 2x, cos pi minus 2x, okay? 4 here, 2 cancel, then pi minus 2x, cos pi minus 2x, second quadrant, solution minus cos x. Is it minus cos x, right? Minus cos 2x, okay? See this one, positive, multiple by 4, 2 pi, 2 cancel, 2 pi minus 4x, cos 2 pi, 2 pi minus last quadrant, fourth quadrant, cos is positive, therefore same answer, cos 4x, okay? This can be simplified to cos 4x over 1 minus, similar multiple this, 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus x, same method, same part here, that is cos 4x, right? Niyamai, okay, into dx, right? Okay, now further simplify. So main part, use of the King's rule, right? Using the King's rule is the main part of this answering. Therefore, second case, I equal integral pi by 8 is to 3 pi by 8, okay? Right. Now I try to convert here 1 minus cos 4x. Here also something like that. So can I rearrange that form? 1 minus cos 4x. So here 11. If I rearrange the same part, if I write separately, what happened? If I write separately, 11 plus cos 4x, 1 minus cos 11, 12 minus, see this, if I write 12 minus 1 minus 4 cos 2x, okay, plus cos 4x. But the parissamin method වැඩේ කරන්ට වෙනවා. The senior problem, senior mathematics, 1 minus cos 4x, okay, into dx, right? So can I write like that? 12 minus 1 is 11, right? 12 minus 1 is 11. So can you rearrange that format? 12 minus 1 is 11. The remaining parts available, okay? Here this is 1, here 11. Or otherwise, you know, after King's rule solving, number 1, number 2 and 1. second equation. Say this is second equation. Second equation, right? Now add the 1 and 2. Now add the first equation. දෙකම add කරමු ළමයි. එහෙමනේ හදන්නේ King's rule problem. 2y check value 2y I plus I 2y boundaries කිසිම වෙනසක් වෙන්නේ same boundaries, then only you can add this 3 pi over 8. Okay, when you add this, what happened? 11 11 22, right? 22 22 4 positive 4 cos 2x. Wow, negative 4 cancel, cos 4x on වැඩේ 2 times cos 4x ළමයි. ලස්සන ප්‍රශ්න, නියම ප්‍රශ්න. 1 minus cos 4x into dx. Okay, right? Therefore, if you cut by 2, answer I is 11, right? I equal if I take the 2 out, the answer comes here. Or cut by 2, 11 plus something 11. So integral pi by 8. Better I write the boundaries at last. Cut by 2, 11 plus cos 4x. 11 plus cos 4x over 1 minus cos 4x dx. So it's equal to integral. So can I write this? I'll rearrange same part over there. Numerator මේ වගේම උඩ set කරන්න පොඩි case එකක් හදන්න පුළුවන්. Therefore, can I write this 1 minus cos 4? 11. How this 11? Can I write 1 minus cos 4x? Make a method and don't know how. 12 minus 1 plus cos 4x. See that? 12 minus 1, 11. 12 minus 1 is 11. On palla 1 minus cos 4x, right? Into dx. So therefore I equal. See, can I write 1? Yes. 12. Take the minus out, lamai. Take the minus out. 1 minus cos 4x neda. Wow, over 1 minus cos 4x, right? Into dx, right? Here 12 minus 1, 12 minus 1 available, minus plus available. Now write separately, lamai. So write separately. I equal 12 over this, 12 over 1 minus cos 4x, okay, into dx. Minus integral this cancel 1 dx, okay, 1 dx. 12 over this and this over this 1 dx, right? Therefore finally we close to the answer now. All the definite integration, right, are pi by 8 and 3 pi by 8. Okay, ලස්සනට ලියලා තියාගන්න, practice this important question. So I equal, can I take 12 out? Integral 1 over, what is 1 minus cos 4x? 1 minus, can I change to sine? What is cos 4x? 1 minus 2 sine square 2x. Check that. Sine cos 2 theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So 1 minus cos 4x. 1 minus 2 sine square 2x. Negative, 1 integration is x. Okay, boundary is there. Upper boundary 3 pi by 8, lower boundary pi by 8. Okay, that part, right? Come back to this problem. 12. So here 1 cancel. 2 sine square 2x. So below 2, what is sine square goes numerator? Cosec. Cosec square 2x, okay, minus here upper boundary 3 pi by 8 minus lower boundary pi by 8, 3 pi by 8 minus pi by 8, 2 pi by 8, that is pi by 4. A full revision problem. I hope you have covered entire syllabus successfully. Then you can answer this simply. First time reading difficult. My target, paper out revision series. Okay, therefore here 6. Wow, what is this? Cosec theta, cosec square integration. cosec square integration, that is cot square minus cot square. Is it minus cot square? Minus cot square 2x minus cot square 2x. 2x differentiate, right the half, so it becomes below. Okay, there's a minus, right? And boundary, upper boundary, pi by 8 here, 3 pi by 8 here, and negative pi by 4, right? Cosec square integration minus cot square x, check value there for this one. And you know this integrate differentiate 2x is 2, put the half here, so can simplify and find the answer. Cot x differentiation minus cosec square x, cot x differentiation minus cosec square x. So on that pattern, the answer is that, and simplify, get the answer cot 2x. Yes, this pattern. This is cot x different integration minus cosec square x. So yeah, minus. So this is the part. Now we get this answer. Can I take minus 6 here and divide and integrate 2 here, 2 there, differentiate and reciprocal, so make a 3 ned. Again the minus 3 gamuko out down, minus got out. Apply the upper boundary cot 3 pi, put the upper boundary cot 3 pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Is it boundary minus lower boundary? Therefore minus tan pi by 4 1. What is 3 pi by 4? 135 minus 1, right? Minus 1. Cot pi by 4 1 minus 1. Here pi by 4. Therefore simplify this minus 2 6 minus pi by 4 minus 2 plus 6 minus pi by 4. Superb interesting problem. So keep in touch. Please subscribe this. I can show so many problems, challenging skills for future, any type of exam paper, structure, applied maths, pure maths, essay problem, whatever. Okay, we'll see next time an interesting target or paper league question series. Bye.